Welcome back, and in this video I'll be taking you through the unboxing process of the Watch Onn 4K streaming box for Google TV. So you can see all that's offered on the streaming box. You have Netflix, YouTube, all sorts of options, and then this is just what the streaming box is about. So inside the box there should be one streaming box, one remote, a HDMI cable, an AC adapter cable, and a quick start guide. So let's start by now opening the box. So like that. So now we can just remove this and then bring out this smaller box that's on the inside. So there's a smaller miniature box, so let me just open that as well. And so here we have our quick start guide. We have our streaming box right here. Have the cable, and then we have more underneath. We have batteries for the remote. We have the HDMI cable, and then we have the remote. So let's take a look at this. So this is the remote with the batteries for it. We have the HDMI cable. And then we have the AC cable as well. Quick start guide, and then our actual streaming box. So let me remove this packaging. And here we have the streaming box. It's in black. You can even see the Onn logo right there. Yeah, so this is what was inside the box. So if you're curious about this streaming box, ensure that you like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tech tutorials to make your streaming experience more personalized with a Watch Onn 4K streaming box for Google TV.